Welcome back. Today, we're checking out the top 5 lift tables and scissor lift jacks for garages, workshops, and heavy-duty lifting. Let's see which options are worth considering. Number 1. Big Red Electric Hydraulic Lift Table. The Big Red Electric Hydraulic Lift Table is a heavy-duty solution designed for electric vehicle battery handling and professional automotive service. With a 1.2-ton, or 2,645-pound, capacity, it provides a lifting range of approximately 25.6 to 72.4 inches for flexible working heights. Its large platform offers room for positioning heavy battery packs, while multi-directional adjustments help with precise alignment during installation or removal. The dual-pump hydraulic system delivers smooth, efficient lifting, and built-in safety features improve operational confidence. Its mobile design also makes it practical for workshops, EV repair centers, and demanding maintenance applications. Number 2. VEVOR Hydraulic Motorcycle Lift Table. The VEVOR Hydraulic Motorcycle Lift Table is a practical choice for maintaining dirt bikes, ATVs, and off-road motorcycles. Its foot-operated hydraulic system lifts bikes smoothly from 13.8 to 36 inches, supporting up to 350 pounds. The heavy-duty steel scissor structure provides dependable strength, while 4 casters make positioning easy and 2 locking wheels improve stability. A safety pin and J-hook help secure the bike during maintenance, while the 16.3 x 13.8-inch non-slip platform offers solid grip and helps prevent scratches. Overall, it's a convenient workshop lift for repairs, servicing, and routine maintenance. Number 3. VEVOR Hydraulic Lift Table Cart. The VEVOR Hydraulic Lift Table Cart is a versatile material handling solution designed for lifting and transporting loads up to 330 pounds. Its manual hydraulic pump provides smooth height adjustment up to 50 inches, while the sturdy alloy steel construction is built for dependable everyday use. The wide foot pedal makes lifting easier, and a hydraulic release lever allows controlled lowering. For added safety, it features overlift protection, a maintenance/overload bar, and a non-slip rubber pad. 4 360-degree PU swivel casters provide smooth mobility, while locking wheels help keep the cart securely positioned during lifting and loading tasks. Number 4. VEVOR 1/2-ton Hydraulic Transmission Jack. The VEVOR 1/2-ton hydraulic transmission jack is built for securely handling transmissions during automotive and light truck repairs. With an 1,100-pound capacity and a 33.5 to 67-inch lifting range, its 2-stage hydraulic design provides flexible working height. The foot pedal allows hands-free lifting, while the adjustable saddle tilts up to 30 degrees and rotates 360 degrees for precise positioning and alignment. 4 swivel casters make the jack easy to maneuver, with 2 lockable wheels helping keep it stable during work. A sturdy steel frame, wide base, and safety chains provide additional support for demanding garage applications. Number 5. VEVOR Hydraulic Motorcycle Lift Jack. The VEVOR Hydraulic Motorcycle Lift Jack is a heavy-duty portable solution for lifting motorcycles, ATVs, UTVs, and other powersports vehicles up to 1,500 pounds. Its foot-operated hydraulic pump provides a lifting range of about 4.5 to 15.2 inches, making maintenance, cleaning, and repairs easier. A 3-position safety pin helps secure the lift at the desired height, while the non-slip platform and 2 included ratchet straps help keep the vehicle stable. 4 wheels, including swivel and fixed casters, make positioning convenient around the garage or workshop. Its solid steel construction is designed for dependable everyday use. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gadget reviews every week.